Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my another video. And in this video we find the value of x, and our question is 5 raised to the power 5 over 3 plus 2 multiply x raised to the power 4 over 3 minus 3x is equal to 0. So let's start. Notice that this is a 5 over 3 and it's the improper fraction. So we can write this improper fraction into a mixed form as a 5 over 3 in the mixed form. It's equal to 1 2 over 3. So similarly this is a 4 over 3 and this is an improper fraction, so we can write 4 over 3 as a 1 over 3. So this implies x raised to the power 5 over 3. We can write this as a x raised to the power 1 multiply x raised to the power 2 over 3. This is a so plus 2, this is our x raised to power 4 over 3, and in the mixed form we can write in this format. So we can write this whole value as a x multiply x raised to the power 1 over 3 minus next term is 3x is equal to 0. Now x is common among these terms, so we take it a common x. If we divide this whole term by x, then we get a x raised to the power 2 over 3 plus, if we divide this whole term by x, then we get a 2 multiply x raised to the power 1 over 3 minus, if we divide a 3x by x, then we get a minus 3. The right hand side is 0. This implies one of them must be equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, or x raised to the power 2 over 3 plus 2x raised to the power 1 over 3 minus 3, it's equal to 0. So the one answer of x is 0. Now look at this. This is a x raised to the power 2 over 3. So we can write this as a x raised to the power 2 multiply 1 over 3 plus this is our 2 multiply x raised to the power 1 over 3 minus 3, it's equal to 0. Now here we use a exponent rule. So we call our exponent rule, as we know, to a raised to the power n multiply m, it's equal to a raised to the power n multiply m. So we can write this term according to this rule as a x raised to the power 1 over 3 multiply 2 plus 2x raised to the power 1 over 3 minus 3, it's equal to 0. Now in the next step we let that a is equal to x raised to the power 1 over 3. So the above equation will become a square plus 2a minus 3, it's equal to 0. And this is a quadratic equation, so we factorize. First of all, our middle term is 2x, and if we multiply first and last digit, then we get a minus 3a square. So in the next step, we split this middle number, which is 2a, into a 2 number, such that if we multiply this 2 number, we get a minus 3a raised to the power 2, and if we add and subtract, then we get this middle number 2a. So we can write this middle number 2a as a plus 3a minus a, and the last term is minus 3. The right hand side is 0. Notice that plus 3a minus a is equal to plus 2a, and if we multiply 3a by minus a, then we get this minus 3a square. Look at the first two term, a involved in this two terms, so we take it a common. Then after that, if we divide a square by a, then we get a plus this is a 3a, and divide 3a by a, we get a 3. And notice that minus 1 is common in this two term, so we take it a common. Then this divide minus a by minus 1, we get a, and divide a minus 3 by minus 1, then we get a plus 3. The right hand side is 0. We can write this as a minus 1 multiply a plus 3. The right hand side is 0. So this implies one of them must be equal to 0. So a minus 1 is equal to 0, or a plus 3 is equal to 0. Now in the next step, look at this. If we add a 1 on both sides, then we get a is equal to 1. In our question, we let that a is equal to x raised to the power 1 over 3. So we replace a by x raised to the power 1 over 3, it's equal to 1. And in the next step, if we take a power 3 on both sides, then we get a x 1 over 3 multiply 3 is equal to 1 raised to the power 3. This 3 and 3 will cancel, we just get a x. Now 1 cube is 1. So the another value of x is 1. Now look at this, it's a plus 3 is equal to 0. If we subtract a on both sides, then we get a is equal to minus 3, and in our question a is equal to x raised to the power 1 over 3. So this implies x raised to the power 1 over 3 is equal to minus 3. In the next step, we take a power 3 on both sides, then this will become a x raised to power 1 over 3 multiply 3. The right hand side is minus 3 raised to the power 3. This 3 and 3 will cancel, we just get a x, and minus 3 raised to the power 3, it's equal to minus 27. So this is the another value of x. So in our question, one value of x is 1, another value of minus 27, and the third value of x is 0. Now we verify all these answers. For this, we substitute this value one by one in our question. So let's start. X raised to the power 5 over 3 plus 2 multiply x raised to the power 4 over 3 minus 3x is equal to 0. First of all, we substitute x is equal to 0. So this will become a 0 raised to the power 5 over 3 plus 2, 0 raised to the power 4 over 3 minus 3 multiply 0 is equal to 0. And 0 raised to the power 5 over 3 is 0. And 0 raised to the power 4 over 3 is 0. And if we multiply 0 by 2, then we get a 0. And 3 multiply 0 is 0. So this is 0 is equal to 0. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we have done for x is equal to 0. Now we check for x is equal to 1. So we substitute x is equal to 1 in this equation. So this will become a 1 raised to the power 5 over 3 plus 2, 1 raised to the power 4 over 3 minus 3 multiply 1 is equal to 0. So 1 raised to the power 5 over 3 is 1 plus this is 1 raised to the power 4 over 3. It's also equal to 1, and if we multiply this 1 by 2, then we get a 2. And this is a minus 3 multiply 1 is minus 3, it's equal to 0. And 1 plus 2 is 3 minus 3 is equal to 0, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So 0 is equal to 0, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we have done for x is equal to 1. So now verify x is equals to minus 27. So our question is x raised to the power 5 over 3 plus 2 multiply x raised to the power 4 over 3 minus 3x is equal to 0. So we replace a x by minus 27. So this will become a minus 27 raised to the power 5 over 3 plus 2 minus 27 raised to the power 4 over 3 minus 3 multiply minus 27 is equal to 0. So we can write minus 27 as a minus 3 raised to the power 3, and this is a 5 multiply 3, and this is a 2. Minus 27 is equal to minus 3 raised to the power 3, and this is a 4 over 3. And minus 3 multiply minus 7 is plus 81 is equal to 0. Now look at this 3 and 3 will cancel, we just get a minus 3 raised to the power minus 5 and plus 2. This 3 and 3 will cancel, we just get a minus 3 raised to the power 4 plus 81 is equal to 0. Now in the next step, minus 3 raised to the power 5 is equal to minus 243 plus minus 3 raised to the power 4 multiply 2, it's equal to plus 162 plus 81. If we solve this two term, then we get a minus 81 and this is a plus 81 and the right hand side is 0. Minus 81 and plus 81, that's equal to 0, so 0 is equal to 0. So in our question the value of x is 1 and the other value is 0, and the third value of x that satisfy our question is minus 27. Thank you.